They've won their last 2 road games, Game 5 and Game 7 in Sacramento against the Kings to advance to the second round. James lobs it into Davis. Jermichael Green guarding him. Both Greens took turns the other night. Russell, his first shot is good.
No question, they can switch it.
Blocked by Davis. A playoff leader in block shots, over 4 per game. Russell got it again. Couple of threes to start for Russell.
Russell knocks down the long one.
That's his 8th block in this series. Curry bumped by Russell, counted and one. Curry felt the contact, flipped it up, and a chance for a 3-point play as the Warriors get on the board. Again, Wiggins on LeBron James. Andrew Wiggins has turned into one of the better defensive players in the game. Kicks it back out. Russell's going to try again. 3 for 3 from downtown. What a start.
4 switches and then post James.
Russell unstoppable here in the first 3.5 minutes. He's got 11 points already.
With Davis on Jermichael Green.
Curry, 3-pointer. Second field goal for Curry. Curry searching, probing, passing inside Draymond Green. Back out Thompson, the quick release, got it. Russell, a little shake and bake. Oh, spin move, D'Angelo Russell.
LeBron James, there's not one matchup in the paint other than Draymond Green that can come close to competing with LeBron James.
Curry, the runner, off the glass. As Thompson comes the other way. Thompson finds plenty of room, knocks down the 3. His second 3-pointer.
He can do both. Stop the ball and get back to Looney.
Looney hands it to Poole. Poole fires away. That's good. Moses Moody has had some big minutes here in these playoffs. Thompson again. Got it. Hey, Thompson back in L.A. Said he waited 12 years for this matchup. 6 on the 24. Poole on the drive. Scoop layup's good. And the Warriors, after trailing by 7, now a 6-point lead, so a 13-point turnaround here in the first. And James the rebound. He's got 3 rebounds, 3 assists, but again, still waiting for his first shot attempt. Walker tries a 3. Got it. Avoided contact, and Curry can't hit the 3. Wiggins tips it back out. And a new 14 on the shot clock. Poole, pass inside. Wiggins reverse. Got it. Wiggins rewarded for his good board work.
No shot blocking.
James again kicks it out. Russell gets a good clean look. Russell nails another 3. He's got 4. 5 assists for LeBron James. Nice pass from Draymond Green. Curry gets rid of Reeves. Nails a 3-pointer. His second.
Nice play off the dribble by Curry.
Had 10.7 rebounds in Game 2. Davis gets an easy look down low. Anthony Davis now in double figures.
DiVincenzo's an outstanding offensive rebounder for a guard.
James spins, James drives, and he scores his first field goal of the game. Davis has DiVincenzo on him. James hits a 3. Only his second field goal, but it puts the Lakers up by 2. Russell a 3. Got it. D'Angelo Russell, his 5th 3-pointer of the half. And a 7-point lead for the Lakers. Thompson the fake, the sidestep, can't answer. James, another rebound, throws it ahead to Russell. Russell fakes a pass, drives, and flips it up and in. Wiggins, James gets up on him. Wiggins, a little room, and answers. Curry splits the seams down the lane. Layup shot is good. 13 points for Curry. Schroeder, wide open, nails a 3. 8th 3-pointer for the Lakers. They're up 7. Davis catches, drives, goes inside, lays it in at the buzzer. And the Lakers will head to the locker room with their largest lead of the first half.
He pushed his man into the screen.
I didn't say he was telling the truth. Oh, nice backdoor cut. Thompson gets a layup. Reeves gets in the paint. Jump shot. It's good. That's his first field goal. They've been struggling a bit.
In playoffs, I never had that, where we had non-shooters other than 5 men.
Michael Green can't hit. Wiggins keeps it alive. Curry a three. That's good.
Great play by Wiggins.
Curry a running start. Goes right at Davis. Keeps that dribble alive. Turns. Goes back again. Blocked by Davis. That's number 4 tonight. Looney gets it. Back to Wiggins. Oh! Wiggins with the emphatic slam. Looney hands off to Poole. Lonnie Walker back in the game. Poole trying to draw contact. Curry gets it and banks it home as it gets knocked to the floor. Schroeder running up the floor. There's Walker. Back to Schroeder. That's good. Dennis Schroeder drills it. 5 quick points by the Lakers.
Again, James in the paint.
Curry a three-pointer. Got it. Curry trying to heat up. He's got 21.
The bench of the Warriors was dominant against the bench unit for the Lakers in the first half.
Schroeder right up to Curry. Curry drives, the floater's up, and good. Steph Curry now with 23. Schroeder throws it up. Bad pass. Ball caroms though out to Davis. 4 on the shot clock. Davis, the runner's up. It's good. Come on, Looney. Down low. Threw it away. James spins. James drives off the glass. It's good. James to Walker. 6 on the shot clock. Walker drives, banks it in. Largest lead of the game for the Lakers.
Well, the job that Lonnie Walker has done, not just the scoring, but the defense.
James into the paint, falling away. Thompson the drive, stops. Bank shot is good. Finally a bucket for the Warriors.
But even though he can score, you don't play him unless you know you can trust him defensively.
Alley-oop, and Davis throws it down. Perfect pass from Schroeder. And the Warriors coming into this road game had their 2 biggest road wins of the season, obviously. Games 5 and 7 against Sacramento. Well, they have come up against a determined Laker team. Nice feed inside. Draymond Green banks it home. Walker, Reeves, James, Gabriel, and Schroeder. Schroeder lines up a 3, puts it in. 12 points off the bench for Schroeder.
He doesn't even know. Like if you said you're trending on Twitter, my dad would be like, what are you talking about?
Oh, that's a sweet move from Lonnie Walker. Playoff 3-point percentage, 56% he's shooting, 16 of 28 for the playoffs. DiVincenzo answers back.
And I agree. I will say this. I can make determination as to whether a guy is ready to play or whether he's let go of the rope. And it could affect me going back to him moving forward.
The players really complimented Davis and James much more as Anthony Lamb hits that. Shaquille Harrison able to knock that down.
Everybody wants to talk about it like it's some scientific thing. Then how does he play well sometimes as Thompson dunks it?
There's Peyton.
It's like everybody's speculating Joel Embiid will not be able to play well tomorrow because as Peyton dunks it home, because he played 39 minutes. Oh my goodness, how is he going to survive with his chef and his masseuse and his physical therapist?
Oh, nice highlight there for Christie, the rookie. So after the Golden State Warriors dominated Game 2, LA Lakers come back and have a dominant performance led by Anthony Davis and LeBron James.